At Internshala, we often get these questions from students. What to do after BCA? Should I go for MCA? Will I find a job after BCA? Or will I get a high paying job after MCA? इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का एक ही पर्पस होता है ये जानने का कि BCA के बाद क्या क्या करियर ऑप्शंस होते हैं. So I decided to make a video on this. I have divided this video into two sections. In section 1, I will talk about the recommended roadmap for BCA students if you are already in first or second year of your college. In section 2, I will give you different career options that you can opt for as a BCA graduates. Now your reason for doing BCA could be anything. Maybe you didn't get the admission in BTech Computer Science, or you wanted to do a 3-year course, or you want to change the field from arts to science. Whatever the reason is, the end goal is usually the same for everyone. That is to get a good job after graduation. So if you have joined BCA, start focusing on building a strong resume, because it is not the degree that matters, it is the skills. So for that, start upskilling yourself from the beginning. Here is the roadmap for that. First thing first is to create an account in Internshala and start applying for internships as early as your first year of college. These internships will help you gain relevant experience and skills. So for that, Internshala is a great platform. Thousands of students have already started their career through Internshala. So to find the relevant internship, go through the different kind of internships listed on Internshala and read their job description. Find out what kind of internships interest you. Accordingly, apply to those internships. Read what kind of candidates the company is looking for. If you have those skills and qualification, apply to the internship right away. Else, develop those skills. For that, you can apply to short-term courses on Internshala. For example, if you are interested in a web development internship, but you do not have knowledge of Python, then enroll to Python course at Internshala, complete the projects, and then apply to web development internships. It will increase your chance of getting an internship. So sooner you start, better internship opportunities you will get. This internship experience and skill will help you create a strong resume. After graduation, use your strong resume to apply to fresher jobs at Internshala. But what if you are already in your final year and you haven't enrolled to any course or haven't done any internship? Then what you can do? For that also, Internshala can help you out. You can apply to Internshala placement guarantee courses and gain knowledge through live classes and gain hands-on experience through industry level projects. This experience and this skill will help you land a good job after getting graduated. The links of all these courses are in the description box below. So it can be an easy roadmap to land a job after BCA. Now the second section of the video. If you are someone who has recently graduated, then you too will have this one question. Should I start working or should I go for further studies like an MCA? And if you choose to do an MCA, will it lead to a high paying job or not? So let me tell you that MCA or Masters in Computer Application is a postgraduate degree that gives you a deeper understanding of the concepts that you have learned in BCA. By pursuing an MCA degree from a well-known college, you can get high-paying career opportunities. But to get an admission in good college, you will need to take exams like NIMSET, which is a national level test for admission into MCA programs. Once you pass the NIMSET, you can apply to some of the top colleges that accept these scores. In addition to NIMSET, there are other state level exams like TENCENT in Tamil Nadu, PG CENT in Karnataka and EPICENT in Andhra Pradesh that you can appear for to get admission to good colleges. Okay, now let's discuss about the career opportunities that you can get after completing your BCA degree. On the screen, you can see some of the job roles, skill required and the average salary you usually get as a BCA graduate. Let's begin with software development. To become a software developer, you need to focus more on learning some programming languages, software testing, data structure, and software security. As an entry-level software developer, you can earn up to 5 lakh LPA. You can become a data scientist after completing BCA. Top companies like Accenture, Google, Amazon, Wipro, and TCS are always looking to hire data science professionals. For that, you need to learn programming languages like Python and SQL. You would also have to learn how to use data visualization tools such as Tableau, Zoho Analytics, Power BI, and Infogram. The entry-level salary usually goes up to 8 lakh LPA. After doing a BCA degree, you can also opt for roles like UI UX designer and digital marketer. For a designer role, you need a knowledge of computer programming, user interface designing, Figma, and prototyping skills. And with these skills, you can apply to companies like Meta Labs, Groovy Webs, Think Designs, and more. Similarly, for digital marketing, you can work with popular brands like Swiggy, Zomato, or Google. To get these jobs, you need to have skills like SEO, PPC, and project management skills. You can learn all these skills from Internshala, but the key is start early. Another thing that you can do after completing your BCA is apply for tech or non-tech roles in the government sector. For that, you need to give exams like UPSC, SSC, CHSL, among others. Lastly, if you want to continue studying while working, you can explore special programs offered by companies like TCS and Wipro. You can enroll in the TCS Ignite program and learn about software development, testing, project management, and more. Also, along with learning, you can also earn good salary. You can also enroll with Wipro's Work Integrated Learning Program, where you can work as a scholar trainee and earn up to 23,000. And after 4 years, you can even get a sponsored MTech degree. But that's not it. You will also be promoted to Senior Project Engineer with a package starting at 6 lakh LPA. So what are you waiting for? Choose your preferred career option and get ready to give your career the perfect shuruaat. And with that, I have come to the end to this video. If you found this video interesting and knowledgeable, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All the best.